Welcome. If you're looking to block someone on WhatsApp web using your PC, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the updated steps to block a contact on WhatsApp web. It's quick and simple, so let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to web.whatsapp.com. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to scan the QR code using the WhatsApp app on your phone to connect it to your PC. Once logged in, you'll see all your chats right in front of you. Now, the next step is to find the contact or chat you want to block. You can scroll through your list of conversations or use the search bar at the top of the screen to quickly find the person by their name or phone number. Once you've found the chat, right-click on the conversation. This will open a menu with several options. Look for the option that says Block and click on it. A confirmation pop-up will appear, asking if you're sure you want to block this contact. Just confirm, and you're all set. The person will be blocked, meaning they won't be able to send you any more messages, see your last seen, or check your online status. Keep in mind, they won't be notified that you've blocked them. That's it. You've successfully blocked someone on WhatsApp web from your PC. If you ever decide to unblock them, just follow the same steps and you'll be able to restore the chat. Blocking someone on WhatsApp web is a great way to protect your privacy and control who can contact you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and stay safe.